Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Mbali, originally from Alexandra. I manufacture and design beaded jewelry and fabric jewelry. As you can see here, these are the stuff that I make. Where you can find me on Facebook under Purple Diamond Enterprise. The reason I started doing this was because what I've seen on the shelves in our stores, it's not exactly authentic. So I wanted to do something that speaks to me and will speak to the next person. You get hold of me on Purple Diamond Enterprise on Facebook. My cell phone numbers are 061 148 0948. My name is Mbali. I'm a township entrepreneur.